If in the C-Class you want to renew the cover of the front seat backrest, you must first take out the tensioning element from the rear of the seat. Adjust the seat all the way back and all the way up. Make sure to protect the inner and outer trim and center console from damage. Then unclip the seat cover on the underside of the tensioning element. For the next step, a special tool is used. Insert the unlocking tool at the locking points between the tensioning element and the inner trim, and simultaneously move the tensioning element upwards and back while turning the unlocking tool. This unlocks the inner latching. Then pull the side bolster of the tensioning element carefully aside and take it off downwards. So you see how the unlocking works, here again from the inside. The insertion length for the unlocking tool is about 11 centimeters. Upon installation, put the tensioning element in at the top of the seat frame and pull the two side bolsters gently aside so you can install it over the trim. Then press the tensioning element upward so the catches engage. Finally, clip in the cover again.